The NITTO NT420-S will not be your typical truck tire in the sense that this will be more of a small sidewall dedicated street tire with some all-season ingredients baked in to get you through some occasional rough weather while offering solid tread wear to boot. Now the 420S will be available in sizes to fit a 17 through 24 inch wheel on the site and in diameters ranging from 28 to 32 inches overall. Your pricing will vary depending on your sizing of course, but will still be relatively affordable overall, ranging from the mid $100 price point all the way to just north of $300 for some of your 24 inch options. So car, truck, or SUV, NITTO offers a tire for just about everyone out there, from the hardcore rock crawlers and mud boggers all the way down the line to a tire like the 420S here, which will be more of a high performance street all season tire for the light truck or SUV market. Now let's be perfectly clear here guys, this tire is not designed to go off-roading, rather will be more for the daily drivers or family hauler trucks out there, and maybe even the two-wheel drive application with a set of aftermarket wheels. So now that we know who this tire is and is not for, let's break down the construction a little bit more, starting with this tread design. Now on the surface, the 420S does feature a very unique tread design that will be asymmetrical, meaning it will allow for traditional cross rotation, which altogether will help the NITTO tire here achieve a nearly 50,000 mile lifespan. Now that aggressive tread design not only looks pretty cool, but also provides some good functionality thanks to these larger outer tread blocks here, giving you a good amount of surface area or contact patch, helping with your dry cornering and of course your handling performance. Now when things get a little bit wet, the generous amount of siping throughout the tire here, working with the built-in grooves and channels, will help push that water away from the contact patch and helping to prevent any hydroplaning situations. UTQG numbers here are pretty soft given an all-season tire like this, as you're looking at a 420 specifically for the V and W speed rated tires, along with a single A4 traction and temp grades respectively. Finally guys, NITTO does include a 5-year limited warranty with each 420S that you purchase here on the site. So if you're looking for an affordable, high performance, all season tire for that street duty rig, then be sure to check out the NITTO NT420S right here at AmericanTrucks.com.